Hey there, Linux enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into why Rhino Linux is a total game changer, so let's get stuck in. First up, Rhino Linux is based on Ubuntu, which means you get that solid foundation and huge community support. But what really sets it apart? Rolling releases. Yep, you heard right. With Rhino Linux, you get the latest updates and features without having to reinstall or deal with long upgrade processes. It's like having a fresh Linux experience every time you update. Next, let's talk about the lightweight XFCE desktop environment. Rhino Linux keeps things snappy and responsive even on older hardware. Say goodbye to bloat and hello to speed. Plus, it's super customizable. You can tweak it to your heart's content and make it truly yours. Now, here's something cool. Rhino Linux has its own package manager called Packstall. It's inspired by Arch's AUR but tailored for Ubuntu. This means you can easily install and manage software from a wide array of repositories. No more hunting down deb packages or adding random PPAs. Everything you need is right there, streamlined and simple. And let's not forget about the community behind Rhino Linux. It's growing fast and is incredibly welcoming. You'll find plenty of support, forums and guides to help you if you hit a snag. Joining the Rhino Linux tribe means you're never alone in your Linux journey. So why should you try Rhino Linux? It's stable, fast, and constantly updated. Perfect for both newbies and seasoned Linux users alike. Whether you're on a mission to revive an old laptop or just want to experiment with a fresh distro, Rhino Linux has got you covered. Give it a spin and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Linux content. Thanks for watching and happy computing.